The 2007 Kawasaki KLX300 is a versatile off-road motorcycle that strikes a balance between agility and power, making it suitable for various terrains. Its design and engineering cater to both beginners looking for a manageable ride and experienced riders seeking excitement on diverse trails. One of the notable features of the KLX300 is its electric start system, providing riders with the convenience of an easy and quick ignition. This feature eliminates the need for kick-starting, making it more accessible for riders of different skill levels and ensuring a smoother start, especially in challenging off-road conditions.
Thanks so much for watching. I want to talk real quick about our sponsor, us. A great way to support the channel is by going to our eBay store and ordering parts you need. We ship globally and offer free shipping within the US. We also ship quick and have a wide array of used parts, including parts from this bike. Check out the link at the top of the description for links to this bike's parts, or check out the link a little further down in the description to view our full inventory.
Now back to the facts, and this one is all about torque. With a torquey and tractable engine, the KLX300 delivers a responsive performance on the trails. The 292cc 4-stroke engine provides a satisfying balance of power and control, offering riders the ability to navigate through various obstacles with confidence. This makes it an ideal choice for off-road enthusiasts seeking a bike that can handle a range of challenges.
Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.